Hi everyone, I hope everyone has an amazing day. In today's episode we're gonna create something very interesting, very exciting for you. For example, if I'm gonna say that, it's that imagine that for a second that you're away from your home, just imagine it, okay? And you are boring, you don't have your fancy computer which installed everything, VS Code, maybe Visual Studio or maybe SQL Server to program something. And you are willing to create something very interesting, for example, website, who knows, but you don't have anything but a laptop with a plain window installed on it. And here is the key. We're gonna use only a Word document and we're gonna create a very simple website with it. Yeah, you didn't hear right. We're gonna use only Word document to create a website in a very simple way. Here I've, for the example, I've downloaded already an image, which is a vessel with containers. Our website is gonna be about a shipping company in a very simple way. I'm gonna use now my folder structure. For example, before I start, I wanna mention that you have to know the knowledge of basic HTML, CSS, and if you're gonna go further, you must know JavaScript in basics in here in your mind, because as you know, the Word document is not auto-completing the sentences when we are typing it. For example, for an instance, when we are using VS Code, we are start to typing inside our CSS document and it's auto-completing and it completes the word within the prediction. Yeah, the word that I want to say that. Now we are creating a folder for our website. New folder. Here I'm gonna say it web using only Word text, Word document. Yeah. Press enter, open it, and here I'm gonna drag my image. Okay, open it to the right. Here I'm gonna create a new Word document. It says Word document.txt. I'm gonna name it now. I'm gonna say it index.html. As you know, every single page tries to find the index.html inside the directory of the hosting page. Here we transformed directly to the default Windows 8 web browser. When we open it, it's plain, nothing displayed. I'm going to drag it to the right side. And here I'm opening it with the Word document. And here I'm gonna start to type immediately. Okay, here we are in the beginning. We must know that every single page starts with this exclamation mark, doc type, HTML with lowercase. Okay, and after that, every structure of a web page, it goes to the outside with HTML, inside the head, below the head, the body, and everything it's right inside the body. And for instance, if you want to add the CSS, you have to go inside the head tag and put everything inside there. Okay. We're going to structure it all together. Let's start it. Here up in my thing, and I say HTML. Go down, I close it, dash HTML. Okay. As I mentioned before, we have to create the head tag. We have to close it also. Here, as you can see, nothing is auto-completing. As I mentioned in the beginning, you have to know basic HTML, CSS, and if you're gonna use it, JavaScript basics. Body. Okay. Here in head section, I'm coming here, and I'm gonna say I want to put a title. I'm closing the title tag like this. And I'm gonna name the document worldwide shipping. Cool. Okay. Let's press save, refresh the page, and as you can see, the title of the page has changed as the title we have put there inside. Okay, here inside the body, we're gonna create the navbar at the top. At the below, we're gonna have the image of a container vessel, and below the container vessel's image, we're gonna have some plain text which I'm gonna generate from random text generator website in a little bit. Okay, here I'm gonna create the header tag. Create it. Oh, can you see it? Maybe I have to put some. Okay, that's better now, I think. I'm closing the header. Inside the header, I'm gonna put my H1 header. I'm gonna close the tag. Here I'm gonna write the logo with uppercase letters. Down below, I'm gonna create an unsorted list with 3 list item elements. I'm gonna close the tag. I'm gonna copy it, okay. And don't forget to close the tag of unsorted list like this. Okay. I'm gonna name it about us. About us. Second list item is gonna say projects. Third tag is gonna say what we can say it. Projects, maybe our team, the team, or our team. Okay, our team. And finally, I'm gonna say list item contact. Okay. Go away from the header. I'm gonna put the image. Close it like this. For the source, I'm gonna grab my harbor.jpg. Okay. Save it. Refresh the page. As you can see, everything displayed here, but it's very ugly. We're gonna style it now. Here I'm gonna go to Google Fonts and find a font that we are desire. Let's do it right now. Here I come to Google Fonts website, and here I'm gonna search the font which is Poppins. I click here. I scroll all the way down. I'm gonna get the regular 400 variation, and I'm gonna copy all this. I'll copy it, go inside my tag. Let's put to the site, the web browser. Okay, where we are styling our page. We're styling it right here. Okay, I'm gonna create the style page, the style tag. I'm closing it also like this. Okay, and here I paste my fonts like this, and down below I'm gonna do my all elements basic styling. Asterisk, I said, it means that this affect every element inside my website. Margin 0, padding 0, 0 padding, box sizing, border box. Am I doing it right? I don't remember the syntax. Let's have it. And as you see, everything applied. Very nice, very easily, right? But our characters did not change. Why? Because here I have to insert the font style, font family inside my body. Let's also style my body, min height, 100 view height. And let's grab my CSS thing, font family here. I copy it. I come here. I apply it inside my body. I press save, refresh the page, and every single font has changed to Poppins. Okay, I don't need it anymore. I close it. Thank you. We've done it. Let's also style our header. I get the header element, open the parentheses, the curly brackets to be precise. I'm gonna say display flex position sticky, because as soon as I start to scroll down my website, I want my header to be sticked to the top of my page, web page, sticky. We also have to mention the positioning of left 0, top 0. That's great. Let's refresh. Everything jumped to the right, but nothing happened. Why? Because I have to say justify content. What can we do here? Space between? Okay. And align items, obviously. Center. Let's save. Everything jumped to the justify. Okay, that's why it didn't work. Space between. Everything nice and smoothly. Let's also style our unsorted list right now. I grab my unsorted list and I say minimum width. Yeah, 50%. That's great. Display also flex here. I'm gonna say display flex, obviously. Let's see what's happening. That's great. Justify content. Content space around, maybe. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, that's better, I think. Is it better? Yeah, it is. 100% sure. Great. Align items also center. I want to center them into the middle of my parent sorted list. Items center. But we're not done yet. I have to also style a little bit my list items. I'm gonna say font size 1.2 rem. Let's see what we've got here. Yeah, they're bigger. But also I want to remove the dot on the left side of each list item element. And for this, I'm gonna stay list item. Not list item, list style, none. Style, list style none, refresh, and the dots are removed. Also, I want to say the cursor pointer. Can you see it? Cursor pointer. I'm gonna give a little bit padding to each element. Padding 0.5 rem and 1 rem left hand side and right side, 0 and 0.5 to the top and bottom. Let's save it. Okay, what's happening? Full size page. Okay, you see, we got now a nice pointer effect here. Okay, paste it here. Where are we? Okay. Oh, also I want to say that here inside my header h1, okay, or you can show it like this. You have to point, if you want to point exactly which element you want to style, you can do it like this. Margin left, how much? 10 pixels, and letter spacing 2 pixels. Are they okay? Okay, now they're better. I want to open it a little bit more. Okay, what else we've got here? I want to put a transition to each list element of 0.2 seconds ease. Okay. Also, I want to mention that if I go hover with my mouse to each list element, I'm going to do something. I'm going to say background orange, color white. I'll make my text white, and also I'm gonna say font weight of 800. Okay, let's test it. Okay, we've got a nice transition, right? It looks nice. Woo, that's great. We are moving to the next step, which is we are styling the image. Okay, style our image. I'm gonna say min height of 40 view height. Is it nice? Sorry. Save, refresh it. Nothing's happening. Why? Minimum height, or let's say height. Okay. The height is like this, but why our image is not applied to the width of the screen from the end to the end? Let's fix also this problem. I'm going to say width 100%. Okay. Let's save it and see if this will solve our problem. Very nice, huh? Let's open it. White. Oh my god. The image got stretched all the way. Let's fix also this. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna downsize a little bit my text Word document. I'm gonna say object fit cover. You see, nothing is auto-completing. You have to memorize everything. You have to know what you are dealing with. Fit object fit cover. That's nice. Also, I'm gonna say object position. Say top. Refresh. Well, it's not too much nice. Let's open it all the way up. I'm gonna say center. Center is nice. Center, it's my best, I think. Okay, let's save it. Let's refresh. Open it. What if I say contain? I don't like that. Contain. Is it okay? Refresh. No, it goes to the middle. I don't want contain. I want to say cover. Okay, you can choose another image that you want. You don't have to make it yourself here. You see? But it's responsive. Also, we're gonna make it mobile responsive. Don't worry. I'm gonna fix this problem here. Let's jump now to our text area. Okay. Open it like this. Move it all the way up. Come here. And let's fix our text area. Here inside the body, below the image, we're gonna create a div. Sorry, that's my bad. I forgot that it's not auto-completing. As you can see, I've done with my own trap. I'm gonna give a class of main, like this, main class, and here is going to display our text. Okay, where are we? Let's also, okay, before I start my main tag, div, excuse me, I want to grab random text, which we're gonna see how we can do that. Here I've gone to my Google search engine and I say random text generator. Okay, we're clicking the first, everything plain text here, nice. We are copying all the way up, no need to read what it's inside. This is only an experimental thing, okay? We're coming here, I paste it. And I'm gonna give every single way a paragraph for creating every paragraph for my text. Paragraph, I open the tag here, I paste it once again, I paste it once again, I paste it once again, paste it once again. Oh my god, how many we have here? Paste it once again. I would like it, not enough. Okay, let's go. Paste it once again, and we're done. I go all the way up. I'm closing the tab, the tag like this. I'm copying it. We have to close also the tags. Okay, go to the end. this way. Tag, 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 tag. Close the tag. Close the tag once again. Close the tag once again. That's great. Close the tag once again. And finally, for the last one, I close the tag. Okay. Let's go back to our website. Go to the site. Refresh. Oh my God. What is this? Let's also style this. Go to inside my styled tag, inside my head tag. I grab my main class. I open the curly brackets. I close that. And here I'm gonna say width of 90 view width or 60 view width. That's great. As you can see, everything jumped to the right side. Margin 0 from top. I'm fixing it, the margining of my main div. Everything jumped to the middle. Let's fix also this ugly text looking. I go inside my main. I say paragraph. I'm gonna style the paragraph a little bit. I'm gonna say margin top. I'm gonna give some spacing. I'm gonna say 10 pixels for that. Save. Okay, where are we? We're here. We create some spacing. I'm gonna say text align. I'm gonna say justify in order to fix this ugly looking paragraph styling. Okay, we fixed that. I want to give some font weight of 700. Save it. How is it? Better? Who knows? It is like this. I'm gonna give also, say 400. I'm gonna give of font size 1.2 rem. Okay, that's enough. Refresh. Oh, that's looking great. That's looking great. Is it okay? We're scrolling all the way down. But as you can see now, our header remains on the top, although that we cannot see anything in the background, right? I go inside my head element and I say background white in order to fix this problem. And now, as soon as I scroll down, nothing is seen very ugly, right? That's better. 100% better. Okay, we have this here. Very nice looking. Let's also make it responsive to the mobile. When I do this, everything looks very, 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 very ugly. Let's fix also this problem. I go all the way down. I remain inside my style tag and let's fix this. Okay, let's create the query at media, screen, and open the parentheses, minimum width or maximum width. Okay, maximum width. I'm sorry, that's my bad. Maximum width of 800 pixels. 800. Let's create the illusion. I'm grabbing the header unsorted list, and I say position absolute in order to grab it from inside the header and position it wherever I desire inside this mobile styling thing. I refresh it. Here everything jump like this. Let's give it width of 100. Also say flex direction column. As I mentioned at the beginning, as you remember, we've done already the display flex. That I don't repeat the display flex thing stuff. I'm pushing everything into the column. I say top of how much? 5 view height. Is it okay? Oh, I put the date. I don't need it. Save it. Do those once again. Yeah, about us. But I need some spacing between them. Justify content space between. But do we have the desired? Also, I'm gonna give the height. Let's put some how much? 100 view height. 30 view height. Is it okay? Is it okay for that? Yeah, that's okay. It's okay, but I'm gonna say background RGBA black 0.5 alpha count. That's better. Let's grab also the list item. Every list item here. Let's say color white, because we cannot see anything. Yeah, that's better. Let's give the width of 100%. The full width of the mobile. That's great, but we have to also say text align center. Refresh it. Okay, everything jumped to the middle. Everything goes back to the normal size. And if I come to my mobile view, everything goes like this. Okay, that's better. Also, I want to have a bigger font size. 1.2 RAM. Will it be enough? Or is it small? I think it's the similar with the website, desktop website view. Yeah, that's better, I think. Also, I want to style a bit the header, and I'm gonna close the video. I'm not gonna do anything special. I just want to show what happens when I go to mobile view and when I go to the desktop view. Justify content center, save it. Okay, that's better. Go up, scroll down, everything's smooth like this. So I'm not gonna make any other longer version, and I'm not gonna add a JavaScript for that. Maybe in the future we can continue. I don't know, I don't promise you. That was it. Thank you very much for watching me. I wanna see the picture of the vessel. Thank you for watching me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to support me. And don't forget to like this video in order to go to more audience and reach more people, to have more in our community. That's nice. I love to help people. And this should be applied also to you. Thanks once again for watching me. And I will see you soon in my next tutorial. Until then, be safe, have a nice day. Drink a lot of water like me. This is my glass. And I love you all. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. I kiss you a lot.